This is a very proper breakfast right here. Oh yeah. He's about to get his too. Can you sit? Sit. Good boy, shake. Good boy. All right, so we had breakfast and I'm about to hit the gym with one of my buddies, Tyler. He's gonna be biking today too. My cousin is gonna be biking today, Ben, and then our senior leader, Charles Poole, will be biking today too. We're gonna hit the gym though, so obviously I got a tank on, but we're rocking the Serum Vena pump cover today. Pretty sick. So we're gonna get this thing on, go hit the gym, come back, have some lunch, get the bike ready, and then we're gonna go biking. I did 30 yesterday, so today is gonna be sort of like a recovery ride for me, but I'm trying to get my friends into biking with me, so this is gonna be sick. We're gonna go meet Tyler. You gonna be a good boy? You gonna be a good boy? Huh? I'm just gonna go to the gym. I'll be right back, alright? I love you too. Mm-hmm. What's up? You right, mate. Right. You ready? Alright. I'm gonna start off with some back and then with some arms. The elixir of youth.
I was just pulling the rope to my waist.
Yep.
I'm still engaging my lats and it feels good. But when I'm here and I have this much bend in the body, I can reach down and trace a C and then come in, and that engaged a lot more in the bottom of the lat and pulled it all up to together versus me just working like the middle of the lat.
That'd be new technique for me, so let's do it.
Yeah, it's just easier. It's like you gotta reach for it and then pull it. Just trace the C.
Alright, perfect. Yeah, it looks good. All right, well, the operation got canked. Looks like it's just me going cycling now, which kind of sucks. I was really looking forward to introducing my friends to cycling, but it was kind of a trickle effect because our senior guy who rides and has been riding a lot, he's not like too old, but he's concerned about slipping whenever the conditions are a little wet, and he just got healed from a major injury, so it makes sense. But he was hooking up Tyler with a bike because he has plenty of them, and that is what linked Tyler to riding with me today was Charles. So Charles dropped out, which means Tyler dropped out, and then that left Ben, my cousin, and he just hit me up, said he just woke up from a nap. Go ahead. He's not gonna go. So it's just me. I got my bike in the back, and I'm going to try to do like a little 20 by myself on a pretty isolated road. I don't really like riding solo because it's kind of sketchy, to be honest. I don't know, the bigger the group, the safer you are in my eyes, but we're gonna hit it. You're gonna see me next on the road. idiot. All right, first of all, that dude who passed me, that guy's an idiot, man. It's not that bad, dude. Just wait for the oncoming traffic to pass before you make your pass. It's simple. Okay, I feel like feel a little slow today. That's normal. Oh man. Yeah, I don't feel like going through that. Man, that sucks. Dude. Well, I found out the hard way. All right, well, today I guess is a bust. The only one that showed up to ride, the road is closed. So I think I'm like 6 miles back right now, so I'll just go 6 miles back the other way. We'll call it 12. And yeah, not very eventful. I guess it's considered a good... Look at this church. That's medieval, dude. That's medieval. St. John's. I guess we'll call it a good little recovery ride, but I'm gonna try to kick it in high gear on the way back, I guess. There's a lot of gnats and stuff out. I didn't take that into account either. And that sucks. I will say getting a power meter is gonna be so cool, man, because I feel like I can really start getting better whenever I start keeping track of what's going on. So I'm really looking forward to one of those, and they're coming real soon. Not having any computer or meter, I mean, it's cool to just send it, but when you're actually after getting better, you're gonna need those stats. Yeah. Nearing the end of the ride right now.